Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ting Xiang and my teammate is Ying. We are from DFT2 Group 10. Today, we would like to present our AACS2034 Fundamentals of Computer Network assignment. So, let us start. In this video, we will talk about network scenario, network design, calculation, addressing table, and subnet table. First, we will talk about network scenario. In an assignment requirement, we have been assigned with designing a local area network for a small to medium-sized university called NMU with building in different locations. We have location A and location B. The distance between location A and location B is 100 meters. In location A, we have 4 floors. In the ground floor is Student Affairs Department. First floor it is International and Local Admission Department. Second floor is Marketing Department, and third floor we have Chancellery and Bursary and Administration Department in the same floor. In location B, we have 3 floors. In the first floor is Faculty of Health and Medical Science, second floor is Faculty of Business and Language Studies, and third floor is Faculty of Information and Technology. Next is our network topology design in this network. We are using one router and 7 switches, and each switch is connected to at least one PC in each department. Next is the calculation of number of address needed for 57% growth, and this is original before growth number of hosts required for each department. And this is the one example of calculation. We take the number of hosts Chancellery department, which is 500, to multiply 57%, and we get the 285, and we use original host 500 plus 285, so the last we get 785. The next is all the number of hosts required for each department after growth. After 57% growth, we already know the largest number of hosts required is 785, and we use this 785 to find the total of hosts we need is 1024. And the CIDR of 1024 is /22, and the subnet mask is 255.255.252.0. And this is the host address of /22, and we saw that the magic number of the first bit 1 is 4. After we know the magic number is 4, we just need to plus 4 in every range of address of each department, because assignment requirement is classful IPv4 addressing. Then this is addressing table for each department before growth, and the next is table addressing for each department after 57% growth. Next, I will pass to my teammate Ying.
Hi, I am Ying. Now I will continue to deliver a presentation of our assignment. After calculate the number of hosts required, CIDR, subnet address, first usable, last usable broadcast address for all departments, we will develop an subnet table to calculate the IP address of all devices. This is our subnet table. This table has shown department, device, interface, IPv4 address, subnet mask, and default gateway. For all departments, we're using one router as our network device and gigabytes Ethernet as interface. The IP address I get from the addressing table, which is first usable from each department. Next, we were using 7 switch as device and VLAN 1 as our interface. To calculate the switch IP address, we use the first usable IP address plus 1. For the device, we have 7 PC in the location A and 6 PC in the location B. For the instruction requirements, we need to use CLA33 as password for all lines, include VTY lines and console 0. And we also need to set AACS2034 as our secret password. And we need to at least configure a minimum 1 PC per switch in each location. This is our network topology design. We're using one router in the middle and 7 switch and Each switch is connected to at least one PC. So now I will enter the CLI of the router. So first we need to enter the password and then tap enable, enter the secret password, then type show run. So inside here, you can see the host name we have changed to NMU router, and we also have set a secret password for this router. And here can have shown that we have set the interface gigabyte IP address subnet mask to all the switches. And here has shown we have set password CLA33 to line console 0 and VTY lines. So I'm going to exit. Now we are going to use chancellery switch as our example. So we enter the CLI of this switch. So we type show run. In here, we also can see that we have set the host name to chancellery switch and set a secret password. And down here, you can see that we have set an interface VLAN 1 and the IP address and the subnet mask. And here is also we have set the IP default gateway of the router. And here also show that we have set the CLA33 password to the line console 0 and the VTY lines. So now I will use chancellery PC1 as my example to ping to another location PC. So I'm going to use the information and technology PC1 as my example. So this PC IP is 10.0.16.5. So I open the command prompt in the chancellery PC1. I'm trying to ping 10.0.16.5. And here we will show a request timeout, so we just need to ping again. And we will show 4 receive and 0 loss. Now I'm going to try to ping to another device, which is when I use Health and Medical Science PC2. So the IP of the PC is 10.0.24.10. So same is also have shown request timeout. So we can ping again and it will show all receive and 0% loss. Now I'm using Business and Language Studies PC1 from another location to ping back to location A PC. So I'm gonna try to ping to international and local admission PC1. So the PC IP is 10.0.12.5. So I open the command prompt on this PC. I'm gonna try to ping 10.0.12.5. So here we show request timeout, and we just try to ping again. It will show is all successful and 0% loss. Another example, we also can ping to a bursary administration PC1. So we enter the IP of the PC, which means is 10.0.4.5. Here is showing request timeout. So we just gonna ping again, and it will show it's all successful and 0% loss. And that's all for our presentation, and thank you for listening.